Welcome. Ever wondered how you stay connected while constantly on the move? This video breaks down the fundamentals of mobile computing. Mobile computing is the technology that grants us digital freedom. It is the backbone of our modern interconnected world. Mobile computing allows data, voice, and video transmission via wireless devices without needing a fixed physical connection. In simple terms, mobile computing means computing on the go. It's about maintaining access wherever your life takes you. The core concept is the ability to use computing devices while moving, combining portable hardware with robust wireless networks. This technology combines portable hardware like smartphones with powerful wireless networks like 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi to ensure you have access anytime, anywhere. Think of it like the landline versus the smartphone. Traditional computing means you're tied to a desk. Mobile computing means the connection follows you, allowing you to talk while walking or driving. Visualize traditional or static computing as being chained to a desk, while mobile computing gives you the freedom to roam with uninterrupted connectivity. Mobile computing is defined by four main pillars. Understanding these is key to grasping the technology. First is mobility. The service continues, even as the user moves. The network seamlessly hands over the connection between cell towers. Imagine watching a video streaming while riding a train. Second, wireless communication. This eliminates physical cables, with data traveling through the air using radio waves like Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Third is portability. Devices are small, lightweight, and battery-powered, designed specifically to be carried in your pocket or bag, unlike heavy PC towers. Finally, real-time connectivity. This ensures constant, instant access to information. If you've used GPS updating your location live on a map, you've experienced this instant access. But why is mobile computing so critical? It is the essential backbone of modern business and daily life. It significantly enhances productivity. Employees can work from anywhere, the airport, a cafe, or home, approving files and managing tasks without being tied to the office. Mobile computing supports real-time communication, allowing for instant decisions through instant messaging and video calls, making collaboration faster than ever. This technology enables unique, location-based services. Apps like Uber or Zomato use your exact GPS location to deliver services right where you are standing. Finally, mobile computing drives m-commerce. You can buy products instantly, like ordering shoes from Amazon while sitting on the bus. Mobile computing is not just a convenience, it's a revolutionary way of life and business. Remember the checklist. It's computing without a fixed physical link, defined by mobility, wireless, portability, and real-time features, achieving the ultimate goal of accessing data anytime, anywhere.